Questions 1. Mechanical refrigeration system is also known as option A, vapor absorption system, option B, vapor compression system. Right answer is option B, vapor compression system. Questions 2. Which energy is used in vapor absorption machine? Option A, heat energy. Option B, mechanical energy. Right answer is option A, heat energy. Questions 3. What is the function of VFD in inverter air conditioner? Option A, motor run, constant speed. Option B, motor run, variable speed. Right answer is option B, motor run, variable speed. Questions 4. Which is not a part of vapor absorption system? Option A, generator. Option B, absorber. Option C, compressor. Right answer is option C, compressor. Questions 5. Induced draft cooling tower is type of option A, natural draft CT. Option B, mechanical draft CT. Right answer is option B, mechanical draft CT. Question 6. Which part is reject the heat of refrigerant in refrigeration system? Option A, condenser. Option B, expansion device. Option C, compressor. Right answer is option A, condenser. Question 7. What is mean of refrigeration? Refrigeration is a process to remove the heat from object and cool it. Questions 8. What is the unit of refrigeration? The unit of refrigeration is TR, ton of refrigeration.